Hey there guys, how's it going? What we're going to be talking about right now is the Bounce dryer sheets. Yeah, you know, these are actually kind of a phenomenon. Not only do they leave your clothes smelling very, very good, actually takes out a lot of the light wrinkles that are in, say, your pants or your shirts. It's really something that, I mean, if you put these in, I didn't think it was true until I tried it, but it really helps with the wrinkles. I mean, it makes it so you have far less ironing to do by just using these sheets. It's amazing. You just toss one in your relatively not too packed of a dryer, put it on your high heat, let it dry, and your clothes come out really, really nice and smelling really good. And as you pull your clothes out, you notice that a lot of the wrinkles are not there. I mean, if you will definitely notice the difference if you don't use it and pull out your clothes and then use it and see the difference. It is really, really a cool thing to experience because, I mean, I am an avid ironer. I iron just about everything, especially my pants. And not that I want to, but it's like I have to because of, how I'm drying my clothes. But once I've discovered this, it is cut it in half. I'm telling you, it really, really makes your clothes soft, I guess, so those harsh wrinkles don't get deep in there and become really crisp and, abundant in there. Yeah, it's really good, and I love the smell. I really do. This pack here, it's 15 sheets, and the sheet fairly small, about 6 by 9. Yeah. You can use these and you will see that it really makes your clothes smell so fresh, so nice. It reminds you of being outside in like a flowery field. The smell, it's like on a summer day or a spring morning or something, This works really well. Wouldn't be without it now. I mean, I've tried a lot of dryer sheets before. The most I got out of them was they smelled nice. They made your clothes smell really good. And that's fine. And that's all I ever expected it to do, But these Bounce, it actually makes it so you don't have to iron as much. It was amazing. I was like, okay, what's this stuff made of for it to actually react that way? But it is what it is, and it's great buy. I got turned on to it. My mom's friend, we were talking one day, and she saw me ironing. I was like, yeah, I got to get ready to, do my thing. And she told me to try Bounce. I would not have this kind of issue with so much ironing. And I blew it off for a while. And I literally forgot about it for a while until I was at the store. And I came upon it sitting there. And I decided to give it a shot. I remember what she said. And I decided to give it a shot. It actually worked. It really did. I had another brand of dryer sheet that was just sitting over there that I was using, and I almost used that one instead, but I said, oh, no, that's right, I got this, I want to try it out. That's right. So I just grabbed one sheet, and my laundry load was the dryer was about half full, and I threw it in there. I believe I had a few shirts and a few pairs of jeans. And when I got down there and it stopped and I looked at my clothes, I was really amazed at the softness and the lack of so many wrinkles. You know, it was just very different. So I've been using them ever since, and it's been a while now. I won't use anything else. Bounce is kind of on the high end too, as far as the dryer sheets, as far as how much it would cost. It's worth it. It really saves you time, and it really makes you smell good. Yeah, no downside at all. I can't find anything wrong with it. I'll use it until they come up with something better. Yeah, Bounce is a good brand. I'll use it. I recommend it a lot. Okay, these are the Bounce dryer sheets, 15 in a pack. Okay, guys, well, I hope you use this information, and I will see you soon. Okay, bye-bye.